Calories in egg puff. The calorie content of an egg puff can vary significantly depending on its size, ingredients, and preparation method. Let's break down the components typically found in puff pastry. Contains around 170 to 200 calories, mostly made of flour, butter, or sometimes oil, so it is high in fat and carbohydrates. It contains boiled egg, around 70 to 80 calories, and the calorie content depends on spices and filling, about 20 to 30 calories. These add flavor but relatively low calories. Oil and butter for cooking are about 40 to 45 calories. This adds fat to the puff, increasing the calorie count. Total estimated calories in one egg puff by adding all these would be 300 to 350 calories per egg puff. The variation depends on how much oil is used, the size of the pastry, and additional fillings or sauces. Now, is egg puff junk food? In its common form, the egg puff is junk food due to its high fat, refined flour, and calorie dense nature. However, healthier homemade versions can make it more balanced snack. If you are on a weight loss journey, stay consistent, build healthy habits, and keep watching our videos for more tips. And if you are in India and need extra support, we offer personalized online and in-person weight loss programs tailored to your needs. Visit erastoweightloss.com for more details. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.